Hello, how are you? In this video I will show you top 5 most useful programming languages for finding job immediately. Thank me later. Number 1. Java. Java is a versatile programming language that's used for building enterprise-level applications, Android apps, and web development. It's known for its write once run anywhere approach, which means that Java code can be written once and run on any platform that supports Java. Java has a vast standard library and an extensive community, making it easy to find resources and support when building applications. It's also one of the most in-demand programming languages, particularly for enterprise-level software development. Number 2. Python. Python is an easy-to-learn language that's used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. It's known for its readability and conciseness, which makes it an excellent language for beginners. Python has a large community and is popular in both academia and industry. It also has a rich set of libraries and frameworks that make it easy to build complex applications. Number 3. JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language used to build interactive web applications and dynamic user interfaces. It's an essential language for front-end web development, and it's widely used in web and mobile app development. JavaScript is constantly evolving, and new frameworks and libraries are being developed all the time, which makes it a popular language among developers. It's also one of the most in-demand programming languages for web development jobs. Number 4. C#. C# is a general-purpose programming language used for developing Windows desktop applications, video games, and web development. It's a modern language that's easy to learn and has a clean syntax. C# is also the language used for developing mobile apps on the Xamarin platform. It has a large and active community, which makes it easy to find resources and support when building applications. Number 5. Swift. Swift is a powerful programming language used to build iOS and macOS applications. It was developed by Apple, and it's the language of choice for developing apps for Apple's platforms. Swift is designed to be fast and efficient, and it has a clean syntax that makes it easy to read and write. It has a growing community, and Apple is actively promoting the language, which means that it's likely to continue to grow in popularity. In summary, these 5 programming languages are in high demand among employers and are used for a wide range of applications. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the most useful languages for job opportunities will depend on the industry, job role, and location. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give like and subscribe.